Yeah, that's what's called bad tent choice placement.
Whoa,
I see. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Sawyer. What you doing?
Holly.
What are you drawing?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls? Because Isabella didn't get to see it?
No, whoa.
Laurel didn't get to see it? That's true, Laurel couldn't go. So, good morning. You wanna say good morning? No, okay. So we unpacked last night and never got any rain, which is good, even though there was, like 140% chance of rain. So apparently rain's gonna start in a few minutes, but camp is set up and we had a breakfast fiasco. So a few things happened. First thing is our water is screwed up. I have to have it truck strapped to the tree to keep it from coming on. If I undo this, the water will just run infinitely. So when we leave, that truck strap's going with me. I've told the rangers, so maybe they'll come fix it. Also, I had the idea yesterday that I was going to get ice on my way here. On my way, actually, when I went to Walmart, and I forgot. And I have two coolers. We have an Arctic and a knockoff Arctic. And I put the eggs in the cooler with the drinks because I'd break eggs, put them in an Nalgene bottle to save room. And I didn't put any ice in that cooler, so they sat out for a few hours. So we had sausage and Pop-Tarts for breakfast. A little different flavor there. We will remember to do the ice next time. It was payment for being a little dumb. So at this point we're going to try to clean up camp a little bit. If you notice, I keep scratching because there are 3 billion gnats. The gnat population is really good here, and we have to keep everything in the back of the truck because of bears. So we got the gnats, the bears, the no ice, and also no cell phone coverage until just now apparently. So but anyways, after we pack everything up, we are going to head out to some arches and waterfalls. So you think that's the fastest one that fills it up?
I guess it is.
Sawyer's going and seeing which drops off of the cart will fill up the water bowl the fastest. Ooh, here comes a lot of rain. Quick update. We noticed that water was flowing down the hill, and apparently we've never camped at this place in the rain. There's some pretty bad drainage, and we picked a campsite at the very bottom of like every campsite apparently. So I'm soaked. Me and Sawyer tried to dig a trench and build a dam, but I will stop it here and show you what it looks like. So pretty much every side is up there. And there's multiple rivers. What, buddy? See what the inside of the tent looks like? Hang on, I will. We've got a dump truck wedged underneath the front of the tent to let water go under the tent. And April says it's not wet in there. And I've dug a trench, which I hate to do. And took all of our containers, food container, clothes, everything else, and tried to build like a makeshift dam in front of the tent. I don't know if I've ever seen this much drainage on one campsite before. are. I just started recording. So Sawyer and I, so look where we are. Took a walk to go look to see where the water's coming from, to see if we can divert it. Coming down that road, and then it goes down the road this way near that car just went. And then it goes right there, and there's another stream coming from that direction, and across the street. It's at one point, and it goes down the hill, and right towards our tent. So, we've got it diverted somewhat now, but yeah, not a great day. I mean, it's just like flooding rain.
No.
We were walking, this is the sidewalk.
No. I also Google thought about waterfall.
Hey, look at this up here. Waterfall right there.
I think the wall got all full. I mean, you like this.
I know. There's a drain up there. It's not fast enough. Too much water. There's waterfall over there too, look.
I want here to like a waterfall like turn the actual thing off. Okay? But they can't. Heroes.
Yeah.
I know.
It's not a water fixture.
Camera.
Straight up pouring rain.
Let's go to the camera.
Go to the playground. We need to let mommy run that. Be careful, it could be slippery. Whoa, that was fast.
I know. I get him. Oh, get Google Castle.
Big river, big puddle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So it stopped raining somewhat, and we got ready to go out and explore, and it started raining again. So we went ahead and left anyways because we were so tired of being at the campsite in the rain. And we drove to the Hazard Cave parking lot, and it started raining again. Like, it stopped for a few minutes, but we decided we just got to go for it. April's looking back at me. I don't know why. But luckily, we made it here with just some drips off the trees. More than a giant rock. It's a giant, giant, giant rock. Down there, I'll see it. is like the waterfall. Over here it's making the creek. Yeah, buddy. I see. Wow, this place is beautiful right now. I know. It's like you try to imagine how big it is. It even has sand. Just amazing. What? I see. A little waterfall over there. You're gonna stand under it?
I guess I will.
You're wearing swimming trunks. Where's Mommy at? Hiking back in the cave. I will, hang on. You can't even see her back there.
Sawyer, what are you building?
A dam.
And what happened to your dam?
It broke.
It broke. Well, you fixed it though, didn't you? So we stopped the flow of water. So let's see what happens. Oh no! We have a leak.
I didn't get that water.
Bring out the money machines. Getting bigger. Going big time now, we're using rocks. You're gonna have to get like big handfuls, I think. Here, go up here and get a really big handful. Use both your hands. Okay, now pick it up with both your hands and there you go.
the same feet long.
Look, Mama Waldo.
You completely block it.
Yeah. Why we keep going to it?
Sawyer, tell the camera what you have here.
A lake.
A lake?
You made a lake.
You made a lake. A little waterfall. Kind of in a cave.
Hi, wow.
Hang on, buddy. You okay?
What do you want?
Wow.
Well, baby, the only way that I can help that is to take your clothes off, get you under that waterfall.
Look how pretty the rocks are with the sunlight hitting them. Bella, you're so cute. Sawyer, look at me.
I am.
Can you look up and say cheese?